Okay.
Okay.
And here you go.
Stop playing.
Oh, my baby, a gentleman.
Yeah, go ahead and sit down.
My baby, a gentleman. I see. So, welcome to Only Rich Niggas Eat here. I will be your server today. Can I get you started with something to drink? Maybe some champagne? Can I get something to drink?
Alright. You know what? I don't hate get the whole bottle. I don't bring the whole bottle out here.
Okay, sir. I will be right back.
Oh, wait, before you go, can you check my purse? I don't want it's real, so I don't want to get stolen.
I'm not sure that it is, but okay, I'll put it up with the rest of the stuff.
Call my baby a lie. You see that look she just made?
Right, like, you know people be
That's what I'm saying.
hating.
She trying to play you. Like I ain't pay a bag for that bag.
I don't know, you know how girls be hating.
You better stop playing.
Baby,
I bought you that purse.
how you afford this? Because you know you ain't no real rapper.
Shawty, come on, huh?
Baby, you only selling your mixtapes.
Babe, this money I'm getting is real. Stop playing with me, alright? I think it's time for you to just chill out, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy yourself, have some nice things, drink whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? Feel how you feel.
You got your taxes?
Stop playing, chill, enjoy yourself, goddamn.
Why are you getting a whole bottle?
Yeah. I figure it's time I just started taking care of you, you know what I'm talking about? You shouldn't have to pay for nothing, lift a finger, shit.
I'm about to be a whole housewife, baby. Okay, so we have the finest champagne here. That's for you.
Okay.
And a glass for you.
Yeah, no cap.
Here's the bottle for the table of our finest champagne. Okay.
Excuse me, can you put that down and take our picture first?
Oh yeah, for sure. We're gonna need that. We're gonna need that.
Sure.
Okay.
No cap. Yeah, get it.
Oh, no, baby, over here. Come over here, baby.
Alright.
Okay.
We got to show them for how we rocking, how we doing this time out here.
Okay.
No. That ain't number one.
Come on now, you gotta take about 7 of them things. Stop playing. Yeah, okay.
Baby, look at the sky.
Okay. Which way? Like to
Are
the
you
left?
looking at the world?
Okay.
You got that one?
You got that
Was
one?
it cute?
Let me see. You probably playing. Okay.
Do it again.
Yeah, stop playing, man. Now you can do better than that.
Okay.
Okay, you ready? Let me make sure my booty ain't out.
Yeah. No, it ain't out. Okay. Let's see.
Give me another one.
You playing?
Right here.
Oh no. I'll take pictures.
Here you go. You know what? I think I hear my manager calling. Lovely pictures.
Your manager. She ain't getting no tip.
Yeah, she ain't getting no goddamn too. I ain't hear no manager calling.
Babe, are you sure you can afford this?
Listen, babe, if I tell you I got this, alright?
Alright,
Don't even
okay.
worry about it.
You
Just
say-
relax, enjoy yourself. You deserve this.
Okay.
Sorry about that.
Mhm.
So what can I get you guys to eat? Okay.
I can get whatever.
Hey, what I tell you?
Okay. Let me get 2 vegan T-bone steaks. Let me get an order of mashed potatoes, 2 salads, because I'm trying to watch my figure.
You look good, girl.
Thank you. I think that's it, baby. What you getting?
I ain't even too much hungry, actually. I'ma just let you eat.
Really? Baby, you're not gonna eat?
Nah. I'm good.
Well, since he ain't gonna eat, let me get something to go for him, okay? So let me get another 2 T-bone steaks, but this time, instead of the mashed potatoes, let me get green beans.
Okay. All right. I'll get that into the kitchen for you.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Damn, babe, you hungry?
I am, baby. Baby, ate the plate clean. It was good.
Yeah.
So, did you enjoy your meal?
Girl, you don't see nothing else here. It was bomb.
Awesome. Okay. So your total today is going to be $18.56.
Oh, I can pay that with cash. $18.56.
He's a comedian. No, it's $1,856.
Baby, you got that much money?
Oh, that ain't no thing. I can pay that with my card.
Baby, your card in your sock.
Yeah, you know I don't carry a wallet because I got too much money for that.
Oh.
Bands can't even fold, fit in the pocket. Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez Lopez.
Yeah, I figured out the other day, actually, that my mama was messing off with a dude who was from Dominicano, that area. I really found out that my dad ain't my dad. I thought I was 100% African American, you know what I'm saying? But I figured out my mom was messing off with this dude that was overseas, you know what I'm saying? I found out he really my daddy. So that's my natural, like, name. Yeah, you know what I'm talking about, no cap.
Okay, Mr. Lopez, I'll be right back with your card.
All right, okay, bone and nachos.
Baby, what the hell?
Listen.
No, you listen. I thought you said you had the money. You gonna try to pay with a stolen credit card? Your name ain't no damn Lopez.
Listen, first of all, it ain't no stolen credit card. I don't steal, you know what I'm saying? I was pumping my gas, I looked down, seen the card, picked it up. I was like, hey, this must be a sign from God, so I swiped it. There was some money on there, filled the tank up, you know what I'm saying? We about to see how much money on this card.
You know I'm on probation.
Listen, it ain't even about all that. We good, all right? Chill out. We gonna be straight. Have I ever led you wrong?
I guess not.
Just chill, I got this.
Mr. Lopez, your card declined. And according to our policy, it's time for you to get your broke ass out of our restaurant.
Well, did you try swiping it on your jeans? Cause sometimes it only work on my jeans.
Yeah, just run it again.
I got the right type of fabric.
I ran it 3 times already. It's not working.
Where you get your jeans from?
Express.
Fashion Nova jeans. It don't work on Fashion Nova jeans.
I got Express jeans. Why does that matter?
It don't work on Express jeans. I'm trying to tell you, the fabric, it messes it up. Hold up. I know the denim, it scratches it in a certain way.
He ain't lying.
Hold on, it's gonna take a second.
You know what? I'm going to go tend to these NBA players that just pulled up with the real money, and I'll be right back. Handle that.
Can you bring my purse? Because I got it.
Plan.
What the hell?
Hey, baby, no cap, start a scene.
I told you I'm on probation.
You're gonna be in jail if you don't start a scene with me right now.
Here go your Fooey purse.
Thank you. How much it was again? 1851?
No, I said 1856.
Okay, we got it. Baby,
What happened?
this trick just stole my $5,000.
Oh,
You stole my
hell
baby
no.
purse?
Girl, you and your broke ass boyfriend know y'all came up in here with no money. So if you will excuse me, I'm about to call security to get y'all broke asses out. Security!
First of all, that's
Defamation of character. Before you come
character.
out.
When you're accusing people, you can't do that.
Actually, it's not defamation of character, dummy. Security!
Babe, I think she trying to call you stupid.
Oh no, I ain't trying. I am. Now, get your broke asses up and figure out how you gonna pay this bill.
Hold on, wait. Listen to me.
All this hostility ain't even necessary. You know what I'm saying? You take food stamps?
Food stamp. I get about what, 1,800 of them.
You take food stamps?
Oh hell no. Security!
Come on, look,
I got 2,000.
we're supposed to support each other. Come on, back up. Hold on.
You got it?
Hey, what are you? The title of this restaurant is Only Rich Niggas Eat Here. I'm tired of these broke niggas.
Let me tell y'all a thing of 3. It's